Welcome to Tota Vlogs.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Mama Bear channel. As you can see, we are in our mama's garden today. So we are going to be starting a new series on our channel called Tota Vlogs, and this is going to be episode 1. In this episode, we're going to be showing you all a beautiful Tota tour of the garden or Tota. So without further ado, let's get to mama and show you guys the garden. Come on.
Hi everyone, welcome to my garden. Today I'll be showing you all the vegetables which I have grown in my garden. So let's start. This is the first plant. This is bitter gourd. It's also called Karela in Hindi and Agalkai in Kannada. It's growing on cattle panel. We'll talk about the cattle panel in the further videos. We have a lot of dishes which I cook in this. So that also you will be seeing in the further videos. So we'll move on to the next one. This is ridge gourd. You can see a lot of flowers in ridge gourd. You can see a lot of ridge gourds growing here. This is also grown on a cattle panel. It gives a very good yield. As you can see, a lot of ridge gourds and the baby ones which are growing here. This is the okra and the ridge gourd is over the okra plant. And next we move on to eggplants. I have two varieties here. This is the Black Beauty which has grown. As you can see, a lot of eggplants which are growing here. And also I have a small white eggplant. You can see here. And it's very tasty. It's all organically grown garden. Next we have chilies. Chilies, I have plucked few chilies. So these are the flowers which are coming. So next, this is the next batch which I am getting. Next we move on to bell pepper. We got a lot of bell peppers this time, and these are the bell peppers which are coming. Next batch, you can see the flowers. This is actually a green bell pepper. I think that one is ripe already. This is my tomato plants. As you can see, a lot of tomatoes here. We pick a lot of tomatoes every day. So I think these are the flowers. You can see I have got 7 to 8 plants of tomatoes. All the flowers or yellow flowers which you see, it will all turn to fruits, tomato fruit. Next we have a plum tree. Next, few flowers. This is a hibiscus flower. That is a Hawaiian one. This is a hardy hibiscus. This stays in winter up to -20 degrees. So it's good throughout the winter also. So these are the Hawaiian ones. This you have to bring it inside or keep it in the garage or in your sunroom, because it will die in winter if the temperature goes below 40 degrees. This is my Zen garden. This is my Zen Buddha. You can see flowers on this side and that side, and the flowers down also. Again a Hawaiian hibiscus. This is hardy hibiscus which I bought new. It's just like the pink ones which are there. This also, it stays, hardy hibiscus stays with the temperature below -20 degrees. This is our peach tree. I think we might have lost our peach tree. We'll come to know in next spring whether this really has died or it would have survived. And this is our cantaloupe. So we have got a cantaloupe which is coming. We have got very sweet cantaloupes this year. The fruits are really sweet. I have few potted plants here which I have grown in a grow bag. We did one batch of potatoes this side. This is gongura. And next I have tulsi next to it, and then I have curry leaf plant. This is again tulsi. I didn't plant any seeds in this, but it is coming just by itself, which I am happy about it. It's fully grown. You can see the night view of my garden. We have installed solar panels throughout.
Okay everybody, I hope you really liked this video. We are super excited to start this series. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment of what you think down in the comment section below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!